So the headline number that you see is prices. And so what does this figure show? This figure shows house prices going back to price growth going back to 2015. And you can see that before the pandemic, it was gently rising, but it was in the 4 to 5% range, which is, reasonable house price appreciation. It was nothing crazy. Over time, that adds up. It's compound interest, but it was not. It was not extraordinary house price growth. Then, early in the pandemic, we had house price growth slowed a little, and then it sort of took off in the second half of 2020 and has been at a very high level since then. So where is this coming from? So the driver here of price growth has been rent growth. And what you see here is that in this period, so initially there was some price growth that preceded the rent growth, but for most of this period, the growth in prices has been more or less very closely matched by an increase in nominal rents. So these are all in today's dollars. So where is this increase in rents coming from that's driving the increase in prices? And the answer is about half of it is coming from real increases in rent, which is to say real increases in the demand for housing. And about half of it is coming from inflation. So where is this price growth that we're seeing coming from right now? A lot of it just mirrors inflation. And the real rent growth that we're seeing, that's the part of this that we might be concerned about in terms of thinking about the stock of housing and about whether we have enough housing.